Okay, so we are back at it. We are watching let's see, we're watching BLBX LGVN, and I'm also gonna review what happened on Facebook yesterday. I'm trying to get my Twitch chat loaded up again, but nothing's going on here. Okay, so there we go. All right, so Twitch chat is loaded up, ready to go.
All right, so Twitch chat is loaded up.
Oh, and I have it repeating on my phone. Great. Okay, so cool. We're back in. BLBX had a really nice 1 minute flag here and a nice hit of VWAP. So this could have definitely been a move if I wasn't so focused on my stupid Twitch chat. So not that I'm calling my chat stupid, but oh man, it's so annoying. I wish I could just set it up on my other monitor, but wasn't working out when I had it like that. Anyway, so really nice push here on BLBX. That was actually a perfect pullback. Nice consolidation here and everything. We were watching LGVN, but then LGVN pulled back way too much on the 1 minute, so I wasn't even bothering with it. Could get it up here, but I'm gonna wait for BLBX to get above VWAP. Let's go to LGVN. This one's finally making its move here, but it's gonna hit my resistance point here. Let's see if it can actually hold above. 16 is a major resistance level, and now it's rejecting 16. I don't know, the next 5 minute opens here, so I'd want to see it finish above 16 realistically, but I don't think this one's gonna do it. Not in this candle at least. I don't mind if it pulls back a little bit, but I definitely wouldn't want to see the 5 minute finish super red or something. It's already kind of pulling back quite a bit here. 16 all the way to 1560. There's a pop to 18 there. So let's see, we got a massive pullback. And then we got a kind of flag here. Now it just broke its trend. Now it's trading lower. Jesus, man, I hate these stupid charts. This thing is so annoying. Like, I can't even click the dot, and then when I do click the dot, it moves it in a completely different direction than what I wanted it to be. So really nice bounce there on LGVN. I feel like I'm missing BLBX though. BLBX is popping on the scans at this point. So kind of confused as to what LGVN's wanting to do here. It's kind of forming a difficult pattern to recognize. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go to BLBX. This one, yep, I already pushed the VWAP. So now we're above VWAP on BLBX. Well, as soon as they say that we're breaking down below it, 5 minute doesn't look too hot right now either. Let's go back to LGVN. So LGVN's ripping here. Jesus, man. I keep missing these moves. What's going on? So almost double top there, 640. I have to reset my scans. Oh my god. There. Dude, these, I swear, I'm getting real annoyed with these these things already. So we broke that high, 1675, all the way back down to 16 there. This one's just flushing almost every single time so far. Look at that, all the way down to 1550, 1520, 15. That's such a disgusting flush. It's not even funny. All the way to 1475. That's actually just so annoying. What a trash stock. That sucks. Had a nice pop here. I should have been watching it here realistically, but I didn't watch it. I was too busy on BLBX. And I'm probably missing a move on BLBX too. Let's go check it out. Nope, now it's pulling back. So flush through VWAP. Pulling back too much to VWAP, I should say, not a flush. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait it out for all these stocks to finally make a move. 10 minutes not gonna be it's not gonna be there for another 20-30 minutes, I think. If it is. Right now it's MACD's barely gonna cross. So is it gonna be worth it in 20-30 minutes? I don't even feel like waiting around that long, honestly, because LGVN and BLBX are the only two moving. And BLBX is diving down deep below VWAP now. Gonna double bottom here is what it looks like. 340. But both of these had such a nasty rejection. It's not fun. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook yesterday. Oh my gosh, am I pissed about selling my position. Check this out. So I was here. Where did I get filled? Okay, I got filled basically at the top here at 228, like 15. So that's where I got in for a puts play, right? It dived all the way down to 225. And then it popped all the way back up here to 227. And then within this hour candle, I was like, I have to get rid of it. So I got rid of it at 226, like 60, somewhere up here. So really, I only sold, let's just say, from the top of this candle to the almost top of this candle. So within this small little range here, I sold. And then it spiked all the way up to 227, like 20 or something. And then it started slowly coming down. And then when I left, after I sold my position, I was like, oh man, like I think I messed up. I checked the trend again, and it was within, if I looked at this chart, it was within this double top pattern that I had. So it just touched the line, and then it started trending down again. And I was like, oh no, like I panicked out on a pullback. So next thing you know, it pulls all the way down, almost fills this gap, and this gap's right here. So the small gap that I was looking for, 225, like 50 or something, to 223. That's the gap I was looking to fill from the top up here where I was at 228. So it finally pushed lower after it had like two candles of sideways consolidation here. And then it broke that low, and I could have sold down here for some major profits and major gains, but I ended up stopping out a lot earlier on a pullback, which I was trying to tell myself not to do the entire time. So pulled back, and then I stopped out. Then it ends up, continuing the trend all the way down. And I should have known, because I've seen Facebook fill the gap every single time. Like every single time. It doesn't matter on the same day in which it's starting to make a big move down. It does it every single time. And for some reason this time, I don't know, I couldn't hold my position long enough. I panicked out, and that was it. I sold too soon. So I was still green on it regardless, but it just sucked to see, because the exact strategy I wanted to happen happened. The exact move, I should say. Go back to BLBX. So they're both stair-stepping down is what it looks like. BTNR. This one's popping above, but this one's float is 50 million. It's a little high for me. Slow mover as well. Spreads are good though. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here pretty soon because I don't feel like waiting around for these moves, especially if I miss them. That's gonna be so annoying. But like LGVN, two massive rejections here. Just gross trades. I don't even know what to say. Like they're just so bad. That's such a gross rejection. A $2 rejection from 1675 all the way down to 1475. Like, who wants to trade that? That's so bad. I don't even want to trade it here if it pops up again. I don't care for it anymore. I don't know. That's what we've been seeing. Oh, it's typical nowadays, I guess. BLBX is just breaking lower, so this one's going nowhere, it seems. VTNR. It's the only one that I could possibly trade. Probably for the next 5-minute candle. Could buy the dip at 10 in anticipation for the next 5-minute high, but now it's pulling back way too much on this 1-minute candle. Yeah, it's pulling back a lot on that 1-minute candle. IVDA, and then CSSE. Well, it's already 45 and there's nothing going on, literally nothing. So I think I'm going to wrap it up here for the week, and I'm definitely down on the week. Real money though, I am up on the week, I'd say. I don't know if it was this week or last week that I also made the 100 or the $200, whatever, on Facebook as well. I think it was last week. But I am up $66 on Facebook this week on a live account. That one took a while to set up. I don't really have any plays at the moment for it. I think I'm gonna wait for another pattern up here, and then I'll take another trade. But small account, so this one that we're looking at here, it's been flops all week, I'd say, and you have nasty rejections and stuff like this. It's pretty common. And it's just been real slow and choppy, I'd say. Like nothing's been going on. It just sucks. The market that we're in is just not a good one for long traders, I guess. But we've had our opportunities here and there. So I'm not gonna say it's terrible. It's been worse, I'd say. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and I guess that's gonna be it for me. So I'm gonna continue studying my patterns, studying all the trends, whatever, and then trying to take smart trades and manage my risk a lot better than I have been. So that being said, I'll see you guys next week.